Hello friends, welcome to Apni Extra Class. Today's story is The Dream to Serve the Nation. Ravi was a determined boy from a small village. Since childhood, he dreamt of joining the Indian Army. While others played, he woke up early to run and practice. Many people said, "It's too hard, try something easier," but Ravi stayed focused. He studied hard, exercised daily, and kept improving. After years of effort, Ravi cleared the written exam and physical test. The day he wore the army uniform, his eyes filled with tears, not of sadness, but of pride. His parents saluted him with love. The whole village celebrated. Moral of the story: with discipline and dedication, even the toughest dreams can come true. Today we learn 10 vocabulary words: determined, having a strong goal or purpose; dreamt, thought or imagined something for the future; focused, paying full attention; practice, to do something again and again to improve; effort, hard work, cleared, successfully passed; physical or related to the body and strength; uniform, official dress of a job or role; pride, a strong feeling of happiness and respect; dedication, commitment to doing something seriously. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.